I was visiting Nas Foundation and there I met one counselor and that guy asked me to go for HIV testing after knowing about my sexual behavior. So it took me 9 months to prepare my mind to go for HIV testing because I was always having that fear that if I came to know about my HIV status that I'm positive, then what will I do? I went to my sister and she is 10 years older than me, so I spoke to her first and then she told my parents and my father's first reaction was अरे ये तो sex से होता है. Then my sister explained the reasons that क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है, and then my parents were very supportive. They supported me very well because आज भी अगर मेरे काफ़ी LGBT community friends जो हैं या फिर people who are living with HIV तो मेरे parents उनके साथ बहुत अच्छे से बात करते हैं and they treat them as their son and daughter, so it's very good to see them as a supportive parents.
If I'm openly saying to anyone, like in India HIV Alliance, where I am working, where the environment is completely different in sense of other organizations who are not working in the HIV field. If I am saying like, okay, I am living with HIV, so first person has to shock like, oh, you are? Yes, I am. Then like it takes time to accept that.
Okay.
Ki like okay, slowly. Then they come with a lot of questions. Oh, कैसे हुआ आपको? कब हुआ? क्यों हो गया? फिर आप क्या करते हो? आप कैसे जी रहे हो? आप कौन से मेडिसिन ले रहे हो?
When we work in the lab, when we work on the clinic side, when we are focused on new tools for preventing and treating HIV, it's stories like this which motivate us to see this. There has to be a solution at the horizon where people can benefit from. Mission that we are on, getting a vaccine for HIV, having an AIDS-free world. A vaccine for polio took around 50 years. For typhoid, it took over 100 years. We have been in search of a vaccine for HIV over the last over 30 years. So yes, we have made progress. We have covered a lot of path, but yes, the final goal is yet to be achieved. India and Africa combined have 3/4 of the burden of HIV disease.
Okay.
And the clades, the particular strain of the virus that's present in both these regions, hence becomes critical for designing vaccines or other tools that would be effective for the major part of the population. There are populations, key risk populations, the LGBT, the MSMs, where we need to make inroads in trying to understand, how we can serve them better, how we can help them live a better life. So I think we are making progress, but there is a long way to go, and we need tools and solutions like vaccines which can help in addressing this, difficult foe.
This is not the big deal because HIV positive होने के बाद आपकी लाइफ ख़त्म नहीं हो जाती है. I agree there are some changes, but don't take things negatively because I think कि अगर HIV नहीं होता तो आज मैं यहाँ नहीं होता because I have learned so much about HIV and I learned that how to respect our life and how to respect others.